All right, guys, I purchased this Sava road bike. I got it all tricked out, new seat, great rims. This is a carbon fiber road bike. So start with the seat, aftermarket seat. It's got some white in here. I thought I'd throw it something different. Very comfortable. Some different pedals. It does have rim brakes, but I got it directly from China and I'm not complaining. It is a fantastic road bike. Quick release. The paint job alone is just fantastic. Very, very, very light, very fast. Everything is bone stock except for the seat and the pedals and the aero bars. But it is a phenomenal, phenomenal bike. It is fast, extremely light. Great coloring on this thing. Sava. It is the Porsche of my bike series, my bike collection. Like I said, it's just a great bike. This is a small. Trying to cover everything. You can see how it's, let me see if we can get that right there. Pedals, the cranks, this little rubber thing, the seat again, very nice. Get a shot of the brakes. Just a quick shot of the Sava. Very, very nice bike. All right, guys, one more to go. Thank you. See ya.